So I have an idea on how to solve my bandwidth problem. First, I shouldn't have a bandwidth problem. I should be able to broadcast 24/7, all the audio and video that I wish to get as much information and knowledge out of me as possible, making it available to the eventually AI assembled Brian bot that exists that you can interact with. But for now, I could, because I have no electricity and I can only use the internet then some of the time. I mean, I have some electricity if I run a generator. It's all annoying. Everything's fucking failure. What I can do is I could just upload MP3s. I could keep the original video files because I do have disk space to keep those on. Although 24/7 would fill shit up pretty quick, but that's a fairly cheap and understandable local solution for my issue. And I could just upload MP3s. The MP3s will then have the audio analyzed and turned into text, because AI can do that now, which is super important development, because then I don't have to write shit down, right? I can just talk. And that's faster and more the cadence of it, the style of it has more information than just pure text, and so people can refer back to the audio to get some idea of the humor or meaning behind what I actually said, since text kind of sucks as a communication medium, even though I love text. So just uploading audio would solve the problem. And that also means that if I really want to get hardcore, because this is extra steps for me where I have to extract the audio from the video, it's quite possible that I could just record in audio format, MP3 for example, and upload just audio, like only record audio, so I don't have a space problem. That's actually fairly brilliant, because you've seen my face. My face is known. AI can recreate my face saying anything that it wants to say. My face is not that fucking important in most cases. Like, I'm not talking about something I need to show you. You know, I could show you this plant. We could talk about the plant. You need video for that. But you don't need it for most of the things that I want to communicate. So that's it. That's my solution. Record just audio. Fuck, that's genius. I'm an idiot for not thinking about that before. But I didn't have to think of it because I had more bandwidth and I wasn't recording enough that I wanted to put out there. And now I'm like, fuck everything. I want every thought I have to get into a notebook. But then I'm like, fuck notebooks. I have boxes of notebooks nobody's ever going to look at until I die, and then they won't even care. They'll just throw them out and burn them. It's a total shame. All my thoughts are lost. I am meaningless. Life is meaningless. But that's still the case anyway. But all right, so I'm online. Fuck. Okay, I got to go be online. But that is a solution. I'm going to right now write that down. God damn it. If it doesn't get done, it's irrelevant, right? What's the idea? Oh, it's over MP3 phone recorder. On the phone, I need to have an app for audio record. Then I would have to actually add video to it to publish it in most places I publish it. But maybe I could actually create an audio-only channel on something like some channel thingy that does podcasts or something. You know, maybe that's something I should do, is create an audio-only podcast. This is all being motivated by the bandwidth problem. But an audio-only podcast of me just rambling about every goddamn thing in the world. And then that would be great, because it would be cheaper for people to host it, and it would be easier for me to upload it. That is a major solution for me. Fuck. Because I just want to get my ideas out there. And I don't give a fuck about quality or anything. You can sort it out, what you think is stupid or great. You know, that's not my problem. Goodbye.